Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm short this guy, the Aussie dollar, US dollar, off this signal here. This is coming off our pin bar pivots indicator, and what it does, it looks for whenever a move is overextended, and it'll print this alert. Just looking back on this currency pair, whenever we've received an alert like this, we've actually had quite a profitable trade out of it. So if we see here, if we'd played our cards right, these trades have been profitable. So I have a strategy with this, so all of these alerts, and basically what I'm doing is I'm going in with 3 open positions short here, for example. Open 3, so that's my entry. 1, 2, 3. See how I've pulled this fib? I've pulled this fib from this low to high, and what I'm looking for is the retrace. And this darker coloured, like orange colour here, this is my counter trend reversal target zone. Counter trend reversal, which this is, target. So I'm going to look left and see what we've got in terms of previous price action. So we do have like this range here, through here, this here. Okay, so this is an acceptance area. Okay, this has been a balance area on numerous occasions. We've seen where prices traded here and spent a bit of time. Alright, so cut a long story short, I'm rambling. I'm going to look to close, partial close here. Rather than pulling my stop loss down, given that I've opened 3 positions short, I'll close 2. So I'm taking 2/3 of my position off. Leave the stop loss where it is, and we'll have 1 remaining open position left in here to see if we can gain a bit of ground with that. Now if it pulls back and it gets taken out, it really doesn't matter because I'm still in profit. If we'd done that over here previously, this is the kind of outcomes that we could have experienced, and especially this one. So every now and again we're going to get a decent outcome. So that's the plan with this. Let's see how this one works out. Okay guys, I think with that, before you go, have a look at the link below the video and check out my indicators. There's lots of information about them on my website. Have a great day, safe trading, and see you on the next one.